Welcome back to A Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lexus ES, a luxury sedan that continues to set benchmarks in style, performance, and technology. Whether you're a Lexus enthusiast or simply curious about what makes this sedan so special, you're in for a treat. Introduction to the 2025 Lexus ES. The Lexus ES has always been synonymous with elegance and comfort, and the 2025 model takes these traits to new heights. Lexus has refined every detail, from its exterior design to its interior craftsmanship, ensuring the ES remains a top contender in the luxury sedan segment. The 2025 Lexus ES is built on the brand's commitment to providing a serene yet dynamic driving experience. It's not just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and innovation. Exterior design? The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 ES is its bold and striking design. The updated spindle grille now features a sleeker, more modern pattern that complements the sedan's aerodynamic lines. Flanked by adaptive LED headlights, the front fascia exudes confidence and poise. Moving along the sides, the sculpted body panels and elegant chrome accents highlight the car's premium character. Lexus has also introduced new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 18-inch options for a classic look to 20-inch wheels for a sportier edge. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive, with redesigned LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler that adds a touch of athleticism. The 2025 ES is available in a range of fresh color options, including a stunning new shade called Eminent White Pearl. Interior luxury? Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's nothing short of opulent. Lexus has outdone itself with the 2025 ES, offering a cabin that combines cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship. The seats are upholstered in premium semi-aniline leather, with options for contrast stitching and perforated patterns. For those who crave an extra layer of luxury, the ultra-luxury trim adds heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting. The dashboard features a massive 14-inch touchscreen display integrated seamlessly with Lexus's latest infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that staying connected on the go is effortless. The Mark Levinson Premium Audio System delivers an immersive sound experience, perfect for audiophiles. A performance and powertrain? Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus ES offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The ES350 comes equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 302 horsepower and smooth acceleration. For those seeking greater efficiency, the ES300 Hybrid pairs a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with an electric motor, achieving remarkable fuel economy without compromising performance. New for 2025 is the addition of the ES250 AWD model, providing all-weather capability with a 2.5-liter engine and advanced all-wheel drive system. No matter which model you choose, the ES promises a quiet and composed ride, thanks to its refined suspension and noise-canceling technologies. The safety and technology? Safety is a top priority for Lexus, and the 2025 ES is no exception. It comes standard with the Lexus Safety System 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The new driver monitoring system ensures you stay alert behind the wheel, while the available 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Lexus has also enhanced its advanced parking assist technology for added convenience. Pricing and availability? The 2025 Lexus ES offers a range of trims to cater to various tastes and budgets. The starting price is expected to be around $42,000, and for the base model, with the fully loaded ultra-luxury trim pushing closer to $55,000, and with its competitive pricing and array of features, the ES remains an excellent choice in the luxury sedan market. A conclusion? The 2025 Lexus ES is a masterclass in luxury, blending comfort, innovation, and performance into a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're drawn to its elegant design, high-tech interior, or refined driving dynamics, the ES continues to impress on all fronts. If you're considering upgrading to a luxury sedan that delivers both substance and style, the 2025 Lexus ES deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest vehicles hitting the market. Stay fueled, and we'll see you in the next video.